Look at this. Look how cute these houses are. Are these the half timber houses?
Yes.
Hey, I'm TravelingJules, and I'm getting off the beaten path to discover hidden gems in Germany. Today I'm headed to Tübingen.
Everyone's taking photos. One of the most famous things to do here in Tübingen, Germany, is to ride in a punting boat. And away we go. Vincent is going to manpower this boat. There's no engine. You know, it is so peaceful out here. It's really relaxing to be on the water. A lot of the punting boats are owned by students. When school's out, you see a ton of boats out here.
The stochern is the name for this move, basically, to punt. This is a stocher Stange, einmal stocher Gar, and this boat is a stocher Kahn.
You can use the stick to steer and also to push yourself forward. One way it's a little easier with the current. The other way, you're gonna use a little more muscle. It's not actually very deep. You could probably walk around in here. It's probably only knee deep. This would be an incredible date spot. What makes Tübingen so special is that it survived only one bomb during the war. Actually, was supposed to hit the Neckar Bridge, missed and hit the corner where there's a coffee shop now. It's a true medieval city, completely intact, and that's what gives it so much charm. And this is the heart of Tübingen. This is Market Square. You can see over here an incredible city hall. It is very decorative, and up at the very top, there's an astronomical clock. Pretty cool. Over here you can see the half timber houses, and there's a specific style, exposed wood, and then it's covered. Exposed wood, it's covered. You get the idea. Fun fact, there are actually two different types of half timber houses. This is the Alemannic style, the old style, pre-1510. You can see there's a nail. They were a little bit worried that water could get in, so that's no good. And it's made of oak. Now here, that's an example of the Franconian style of half timber house, made of spruce and fir, and there's no nail. It's all in the details. This is St. George, and this is his church. We gotta climb to the top of the tower. Look at these. Hello, Moses. We're almost to the top. Incredible view. Wow, it's so magical up here. You can see 360 panorama. I have such a good sense of where I am now. You can see the Swabian Mountains from here. You can see everything. This is so pretty up here. There's the castle. This is the Schloss Hohentübingen castle. This is actually used by the university. Why, hello, Augustus. You'll notice the gold color to signify royalty. On the left, you can see the desirable equal stone. And on the right, we have organic stone. This side was more fancy. This side, more common. This city is so charming. I already want to come back, and I haven't even left yet.